Hello everyone, and in this video we'll compare Lloyds versus Monzo for business banking, highlighting their pros, their cons, the key differences, costs, and other important factors to help you make an informed decision. But first, please subscribe to the channel, it will really help me out. So, without further ado, let's begin. So let's start with Lloyds Analytics. Lloyds Bank boasts a robust and enduring presence within the United Kingdom, standing as one of the prominent Big Four banks. As of the year 2021, Lloyds catered to a customer base exceeding 30 million and maintained a widespread network of around 1,900 branches nationwide. Renowned for its substantial role in business lending, Lloyds made a substantial impact in 2020 by approving over £9 billion in government-backed loans through the UK's Coronavirus Business Interruption Law Scheme and Bounce Back Loan Scheme, providing crucial financial assistance to businesses grappling with the repercussion of the COVID-19 pandemic. Notably, Lloyds Bank has experienced a noteworthy surge in the adoption of online banking services. The year 2020 witnesses a report from Lloyds indicating that more than 18 million of their customers actively engaged with their digital banking platform, underscoring the escalating preferences for online banking and digital financial solutions. Let's see Monzo Analytics. Monzo, since its inception, has witnessed a remarkable expansion in its customer base. By 2021, the digital bank has amassed a clientele exceeding 5 million in the UK, solidifying its position as one of the nation's foremost digital bank institutions. The company has effectively secured substantial funding through various investment rounds, with a noteworthy accomplishment in 2020 when it raised £16 million. This infusion of funds not only supported Monzo's ongoing operations but also facilitated the further enhancement of its banking services. The successful funding rounds underscored the confidence investors place in Monzo's business model and its potential for continued growth. Notably, Monzo enjoys elevated levels of user engagement through its mobile app. As outlined in the 2020 annual report, customers interact with their Monzo accounts an average of 20 times per month, a testament to the strong customer engagement and reliance of the app for the day-to-day financial management. Pros and cons. Lloyds Pro. Comprehensive range of services. Lloyds present an array of banking services designed to cater to the diverse needs of businesses, irrespective of their size. These encompass business account, leading solution, merchant services, cash management, insurance, and international banking facilities. Lloyd's expensive services portfolio position it's as an appealing choice for businesses seeking for an all-encompassing solution. Established and accessible network. With an extensive network of branches spanning the UK, Lloyds offer convenient access to in-person banking services. This proves especially advantageous for businesses that value face-to-face interaction, require assistance with cash handling, or rely on physical banking facilities. Specialized business expertise. Lloyds boasts a dedicated team of business specialists well versed in the unique challenge faced by enterprise. These experts can provide personalized advice, offer industry insight, and extend support to facilitate the growth and the success of your business. Lloyd's cons. Cost and expensive. Lloyd's fees and charges associated with businesses, account, and services might be comparatively higher than those of newer digital banks. It's crucial to meticulously examine their pricing framework and assess its compatibility with your business's financial requirements. Technological advancement. Despite Lloyd's endeavors to update its digital services, it may not reach the same level of user experience and innovation offered by digital native banks such as Monzo. If your business prioritizes cutting edge technology and a smooth digital bank experience, Lloyd's may not be the most suitable choice. Monzo Pros. User interface. Monzo's applications stand out for its user-friendly design, visually appealing interface and an array of features aimed at simplifying financial management. Through real-time notification, expensive categorization, and insight into spending patterns, Monzo keeps businesses with valuable tools to efficiently monitoring and control their finances. Competitive costing. Monzo adopts a transparent and competitive pricing model for its business account, eliminating monthly fees for basic features. This proves advantageous for small businesses or startups seeking to minimize costs. Integration and automation. Monzo seamlessly integrates with various accounting software and business tools, streamlining financial workflow and reducing administrative burdens. Features such as instant invoicing and receipt capture contribute to easier financial management and expense tracking. Monzo cons. Restricted branch availability. Monzo operates solely as a digital bank, meaning there are no physical branches. While this might not pose any issue for businesses primarily functioning online, it could be a limitation for those in need of face-to-face banking services or facilities for handling cash. Reduced services range. In comparison to Lloyds, Monzo offering in business banking are more streamlined. Although they encompass essential like business accounts and debit card, Monzo may not provide the same extensive array of services as Lloyds, particularly concerning specialized business lending solution or intricate international banking requirements. Limited historical background. As a relatively recent entrant in the banking sector, Monzo has a shorter track record compared to Lloyds. Despite accumulating a substantial user base and garnering a positive reputation, some businesses may prefer the stability and well-established standing of a traditional bank like Lloyds. Distinction and consideration. In addition to the specific advantages and disadvantages associated with each bank, several crucial distinctions and factors can significantly impact your decision-making process. Business size and growth plans. Take into account your current business size and growth objectives. Lloyds, with its comprehensive services and established network, may be better suited for larger enterprises with intricate needs. Conversely, Monzo user-friendly app and cost-effective pricing might prove enticing for smaller businesses or startups. Cost consideration. Compare the costs associated with each bank, business account, and services. While Lloyds may have higher fees, it could offer added value through its diverse range of services and expertise. Monzo's transparent pricing and lack of monthly fees may be appealing for businesses aiming to minimize costs, but it's essential to evaluate if their offerings align with your specific requirements. Conclusion. To sum up, Lloyds and Monzo each present distinct advantages and factors to weigh when considering them for business use. Lloyds stand out with its comprehensive services, well-established work network, and specialized business expertise. On the other hand, Monzo brings to the table digital simplicity, innovative feature, and competitive price. A thorough evaluation of your business' particular needs, growth trajectory, cost consideration, and preferences regarding technology and support is crucial. This assessment will empower you to make an informed decision that resonates with your business banking requirements. And there we have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.